Good morning everyone. My name is Athharv Suryan. I study in class 1st T. Today I am going to tell you some few lines on the theme Nurture the Nature, and my topic is Save Earth. Our Mother Earth provides us food, shelter, oxygen and water. But it has three biggest enemies: air pollution, land pollution and water pollution. Let's see what we can do to save our planet Earth. E is for environment. We will keep it clean. If we stand together, we will make the best team. A is for the animals that we love. Swimming, walking, flying above. R is for recycling. Separate your trash and put it into the right bin. T is for traveling every day. Leave the car, rather walk this way. H is for humans, what we are. If we work together, we can go so far. It's time for pledge now. I will grow more and more trees. I'll not use plastic. I will not cut trees. I will tell my friends to do the same. Thank you.